In a shocking display of corporate high-handedness, over 60 indigenous Tiprasa families under the Belbari RD block are facing double victimization by the ONGC. High-intensity exploratory bomb blasts conducted by the ONGC have completely shattered indigenous tribal homes across the Bikram Molsom BC areas under Belbari RD block. Instead of compensating the victims, ONGC has retaliated by slapping police cases against the locals who dared to protest. According to local reports, ONGC's aggressive land extraction and subterranean blasting operations triggered severe tremors, causing extensive structural damage to more than 60 tribal households. The intense vibration cracked walls, collapsed temporary structures, and rendered several homes unsafe for habitation. When the impoverished victims collectively struck a peaceful demonstration demanding immediate damage assessment and compensation, ONGC management cracked down. The corporation lodged a formal police complaint at the Jirania police station, resulting in criminal cases being registered against 12 local indigenous individuals.
Human Rights Officer, ONGC rock, Tangai go line boy, bomb ruin, knock crack me tangbaca, or crack me tangman forever. Bongno money go money ato kaja, ato kalaye, Bongno bodo kaiton cow, Hajisaya, air for a case in Southern border on a barazona mungui, case reway or case no, Udro Kanya baggage in Bongno Palta case marca. Sin nogro pura crack me tangbaye, mantai, Jingisapian the mano, sin nogro crack tangbaca, Bobby Shoto, over Goro Pajanga, Bangla Pajangas in Noko, Tangmano. Carbon tasting Gisa, knock and drop the panda mano, Nissin Palta case mark Haligata.
Boro case Canada?
Sing him go to Paye. The Manabodica go Paye, get of way, go human rights go Paye. Marketas and gas. We have our posts. Advocate drops no sickness are none and baggage in Kata.
No, guess the massacre broke.
In case away Barazona case.
Borox no, or non public copying Kahanoi, Liz Hanudo, the list that has been here. I was a Simosa Uta, or guessing Tangusin, a cat in Uta. Oh my god. Some couple just putting them and borrowing list must say, for all this Nibung Naye, Prox not would ask guest Hidis Barazon, I would Barazon Bishingo, people never honey Mungoi, all up for Hyderabad come to Yao. Winnie Mungu for your Sebu or Casting Council, or Barazana Grupo. Amahita. Okay, a lot of our bookers haven't got no Mungu yes, because not Hanasong Nunka, Hanasong, hanging like Amahita. I want to have a positive go. They are going for a phenomenon of the party money. I will go visit the Kaya. Visit Kaya.
Kango, for against the Kango, Borok Tangai Kakia Ponset.
With local administrative officials turning a blind eye, the TSF stepped in to spearhead the legal battle for the victims. On Friday, June 19, TSF Vice President John Debarma, accompanied by Advocate Mintu Debarma, formally moved to the Tripura Human Rights Commission to file a comprehensive complaint against ONGC's operation and retaliatory legal actions.
Pray site take a shot of family affected. Abono local representative by Koksaka, local administration by Koksaka, Fiaba Kunuzaga Borok relief manlia. Yagolo Borok Sini Takuk, TSF Vice President, Borong Manang John Debarma, Ano contact Kayoka, Bong is a problem not to ye. The Salsa and Isam Barakok Salaiman Yagolo. So, before the Human Rights Commission, Tripura Human Rights Commission, Nero, so, Sini petition file case and approach Kaja. A petition ni Kaibri Parani Zehetu file Kaja, Kaibri case register, complaint number Sotoro. Complaint number 18, complaint number 19, pe complaint number 20. Oba haikeno tini borok ojaga je petitioner phaiza tini o case ni puila hearing tini inka hearing o sung obono nukha je ONGC ni o jaga sung je respondents ramarok government of Tripura no khlaikya ONGC no khlaikya even TTADC no khlaikya phiaba sung nukha tini o jaga ONGC ni simi se bongi reply phaiko tabuk bote government of Tripura te TTADC ni reply sung manyakho angkha khayo borok daktino reply rewana ebong je o jaga je khoting jagnai nok bai jagnai kebone nuka kuaknai borongo jate ঠিক মতো ও যে ক্ষতিং মানি কম্পেনসেশন বরং যাতে সরকার নাই রিনা নিংথুন जों আবলতই পিটিশন ফাইল খাইয়া তে কাইসা ক খঙ্গাই বেরে খাইরক মাসিংজা অর আনি কুলগো যে বাসা কেবো গনাং কरै crorepoti rok কেবো কरै tongko song lukurok parani जों যতনো সাইমানো কাইসা কাইসা নক তাংনানি হিংকাই বরংনি কুসুংসা জীবন লাই থাংমন নক তাং মানলাংয়া ফিয়াবা তিনি ও জায়গা বরংনি নক রক বাইজাক watay fight tongo watay siwi hatina kuakjak nogo jodi watay sikai je kono somoy bai klai mano hob jagai thui mano aboni bagai borong ni life rok belai risks all life ni bongi je risks ung tongmani jorao jate sarkar rok tare tari borong khoti poron dioi borong ni nog rok repairing khlai nani ungthun ni जों kobogo te sini case je tini file khaimani obosung jehetu human rights commission o khaika जों sini je borongni adhikar borok munsongai je khoting mani abo jate जों kifili manan hnai जों khakaoino je human rights commission जों phaimani
ONGC tam thaka tini oro tai just tam thaklai
ONGC ni reply tini siang copy no manko abo ang thangai teisa study khlaina nangnai exactly borongni tam report phaika abono kare जों khanaka je belbari RD block ni engibo borongar thang enquiry khaika fiaba report no sini yagob mangyakho जों abono nasingai tongnai
or hearing kuru sakai ato
tini jehetu puila hearing ba जों osuk joratei जों tini saimanka second hearing o naijai जों tamo khlaiman date saklaiako ano borok chithi riwai sini o boro rongobo borok jano gori nai te kaisa hangkai belai wana ma singsa hangkai abono tui jefru borok je nok baimani mining khaipodo nok baimani no protest khaya thangai jate social impact assessment जों saibano kaisa jaga mining khayani hingkai environmental impact assessment social impact assessment obro khlaina nango environment gai environment ko khoti ngai jaman mining khaipru tuini le rok tola klai thango bo phangwa phangrok environment rok nষ্ট tongo ngai social impact assessment jata khlaina nangmani abo hangkai a jaga mining khaikai all gana gini ni pararangi kebo khoti da ngai man obro khlai jagya sinyago report krai aboni bagai जों khakayo sini human rights commission 100% obono case no naikolei जों justice riwana hnai.
The TSF leadership has warned of a massive civil agitation across the subdivision if the false police cases against the 12 village residents are not dropped immediately and if ONGC fails to rebuild the fractured home of the indigenous community. Reporter by Boyar from Agartala, Chini Khorang.